there! Welcome to Perfectly Clear's tutorial on QuickServer. Whether you're just getting started or looking for a refresher, this video will walk you through how to set up target channels and folder paths. From the QuickServer dashboard, click Create Target Channel in the top menu. You'll be guided through setup with helpful instructions on the right side of your screen. On the right-hand side, you'll see instructions that guide you through the setup. Step 1. Name your channel something memorable, like School Retouching or Web Resizer, so it's easy to manage later. Enable whether you want this channel to run once the QuickServer application launches. Step 2. Choose how you want this channel to process files. For Correct Originals in Place mode, the original image file is replaced with the corrected version. This mode is fast and simple. You can also enable whether you want to save the original photos as a backup. For the Create New Corrected File, a new file will be created for the corrected image, but leave the original images untouched. Then we move to the Tools section, where Perfectly Clear tools can be enabled here. Choose from Image Enhancement and the scene detection model you'd prefer for this channel, Auto Crop settings, and access to the Perfectly Clear Cloud Tools Glasses Glare Removal and Background Removal, with more to come in the future. A quick note, if you're using glasses glare or background removal or any other future cloud tool available in QuickServer, enter your unique API key under Preferences, Cloud Tools, and have access to the internet. You can find your API key from your Perfectly Clear Cloud account under Web API. Then you choose which files to process in the input, and just noting that glasses glare removal and background removal will only work with JPEG and PNG file formats. Both modes support an optional completion file, which is an empty text file that is created when the last targeted image is processed. This could be useful when needing to trigger downstream processing of these images in other workflow tools. Lastly, setting the output settings. You can choose whether the channel converts images to JPEG or attempts to preserve the input format. We say attempt because raw files will always be converted to JPEG. And configure the level of JPEG compression in your outputs. Our default is 93% for JPEGs. The downsizing feature gives you the flexibility to decrease the dimensions of your images while automatically altering or maintaining the aspect ratio based on your parameters. A note for the scale option, just make sure the image output will not be less than 32px. You can review all your settings before saving. If needed, use the back button to change earlier steps. And there you go, the target channel is all set up. If you realize you want to change the settings of this channel, you go to Channel Settings at the bottom of the page and can quickly change anything and save your changes. If you have questions or want help customizing your setup, visit our frequently asked questions or reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching and happy enhancing.